Right, so you've got those 3 garages there. I would imagine it's mostly old people that live here that's been in these houses for generations. The family's been passed down the house. Right, this is where the turnstile goes through, look, because you've got a marker on the brick wall here with a yellow arrow. And the house next door says, please do not use our driveway to go through the turnstile. You've got to come through this one at the brown garage here. Right, so that's where the turnstile gate is there, look. Right, come on. So that one's called Robin Cottage with a red door. And that's where you're coming down the hill. Look, you can see the grass track coming down through the wall to come to that turnstile in front of us, to come back along to the church after you finish your walk. And that's your circular walk going to Whitfield Force Waterfall and come back down via Stacy Lane and then come down between the houses here, and then you're back at going back to the church to get your car. I love this old spinning wheel that's been converted into a flower bed. It's nice, just this here. The old spinning wheel. Belt driven years ago. Right, there's your schoolhouse again. Right, so my time-lapse camera's been going since I left the car. Now, presuming my Digipower battery kept it charged and kept it going, I should have quite a good length time-lapse to put up on my YouTube channel. Right, come on. You've got piled up wood for the wood fires that's inside, obviously. Right, so here we are back at ASKRIGG, and we're walking along the church wall. Right, so I've just got to drive out of here, back up the bank, round the right S-bend, and keep on going till I go through Redmire again, past Castle Bolton, and I just keep going. Then right back along to Bardon Moor, and then Catwick Army Base, then onto the A1, turn left and go home. Hey, come here, son. Looks funny, like with a paint job. It's like a off cream, if you like, the paint colour. It's weird. Right, so you can see all the people sitting outside the pie shop on those 2 picnic tables. That's where I normally pick up when I've set my time-lapse camera away, when my car's parked there, where all these cars are in front of us now. But I didn't want to park there this morning with those yellow signs on about doing roadworks and talking about councils and stuff. Good boy, son, good boy. Oh, there's Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, son. Right, back into the car and then drive out of here. Come on, away, come on. Yeah. Right, come here, get the keys, son. Wait. Hey, stop pulling. Come here. Right, unlock. Right, come on up here. Come on, in you go. You're still bathing a lot, aren't you? Right, come on up you go. Up. Come on, son. Up. Come on up. Away. Right, sit down. Who's that, son? Who's that? Who's that? Oh, who's that, son? Who's that? Who's that, son? Who's that, son? Oh, who's that? Who's that? Right, stay there, son, stay there. We're going now. Right, stop recording.